guys, I got this Pacific 100G padlock that was very kindly sent to me by Dad in Germany. It's got US government stamp on there. It's a 5-pinner. It's key retaining. There's no spring on the shackle, but as you take it past the key past the shear line, there's quite a considerable click. It is key retaining. You can't get the key out until it's locked back up. I'll show you the bitting for it. It's quite an extreme key for these sort of locks. Lots of ups and downs, especially on pin 1. Pin 4 is quite high. You've got pin 5. Let's give it a go at picking. I had trouble with this lock to begin with, to be honest. I found that I picked it, but I didn't realise because, as you can see, we've got this nodule here what sticks out, and so when this is full of serrated and spool pins. The serrated pins are not very shallow, they're quite deep, so they act very much like spools, so I can't pick it as I would normally pick a serrated pick, just by dragging it and knocking the serrated pins up and concentrating on the spools because they're very deep. So I have to use a different technique. But I could put this way round so it avoids this nodule altogether. I just find that I don't find this very comfortable for me anyway, picking this way because of this movement. I don't like this. It takes too much control and distraction. So I'd rather pick it this way, get to that nodule then and just slightly lift it above there and continue picking. So I'm going to be using the Peterson jam. Let's give it a go at picking. So start at the back. Not very light tension on this one for me, just medium tension. That's pin 5 already binding there. Click and a slight turn on pin 4, already counter rotation. So that's it. Pin 3. Looks like I've dropped 1. Pin 4. Pin 2. There we go. We're more or less nearly touching that. So carry on. Find your next binding pin. Pin 3. Lost one of my pins. Lost one counter rotation. That's pin 4, pin 2, pin 5. There we go. So we're touching this now, so I'm just going to lift it slightly so it should have that gap there. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5 slightly touched. So we've come out of it quite a lot now. 5 is okay. 4 is okay. Counter rotation on 3. Make sure I get on this pin correctly. There you go. Open. Cheers guys.